I want to do a short follow-up on that last metal lathe video. I've made some progress, and two things that I was doing wrong, and that is I had too much stick out, too much stock stuck out of the holder, and that was giving it more of a bounce. Having done that, then I took off a good deal of material on this side here. It's still pretty rough in places. You just have to do it in really small cuts. Can't get too deep, otherwise it'll bind up. Also, an interesting thing I found out, it may be particular to this particular lathe, but when I crank away from the headstock, and move the cut in that in the direction of the, yeah, there we go, in the direction of the tail, I tend to get a better cut, and I think that's has to do with a little bit of sloppiness in the tool holder, and which is something I'm going to address. But this can be done, and knowing what I know now, I could have got to this point probably within less than an hour. Wasted a lot of time on this, but I learned a lot. And the good news is I didn't break the lathe. It bound up solid a couple of times, and I reached over to hit the stop switch quickly, and then I loosened up the headstock, tried to recenter it and tighten it down good. That seemed to take care of it. So this is a little bit more of an optimistic addendum. It's going to be short. That's all I need. The only point I needed to make. So if you haven't subscribed, please do. If you like the video, hit like. Thank you very much.